Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Microsoft Authenticator app in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Microsoft Authenticator is used to add an extra layer of security to your accounts by verifying logins using your phone instead of just a password. First, download Microsoft Authenticator from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and open the app. When you launch it for the first time, allow notifications because these are required to approve sign-in requests. Now tap Get Started. You'll be asked to add an account. Choose the account type, such as Microsoft, Work or School, or other accounts like Google, Facebook, or Instagram. If you're adding a Microsoft account, sign in with your email and password, then approve the setup. For other accounts, choose the option to scan a QR code. To get this QR code, open the security settings of the account you want to protect, enable two-factor authentication, and select Authenticator app as the method. Point your phone camera at the QR code, and the account will be added instantly. Once added, you'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. This code is used when a website asks for verification during login. For Microsoft accounts, you may receive a push notification instead. Simply open the notification and tap Approve to confirm it's you. You can also use Microsoft Authenticator for passwordless sign-in. When enabled, you won't need to type your password. Just enter your email on the login page and approve the sign-in from the app. This is faster and more secure. To manage your accounts, tap on any account inside the app. You can rename it, remove it, or view additional security details. It's also important to back up your Authenticator data. Go to Settings, turn on Cloud Backup, and sign in with your Microsoft or iCloud account. This helps you recover accounts if you change or lose your phone. Finally, keep the app updated and never share your verification codes with anyone. That's how you use Microsoft Authenticator to protect your accounts and sign in securely every day. Subscribe the channel for more videos.